How to change your team name in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Premier League. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now over here, you're going to find different tabs. Head over to the tab Pick Team. At the top, you're going to find your team name. Now how to change it? For that, you'll need to scroll down until you find the option of Admin. Under that, you're going to find the option Team Details. Click on that option. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you are able to change the team name. Remove the old team name, then type in the new one. Once you do that, click on the option Update Details. With that, your team name will be updated. And this way, you are able to change your team name in Fantasy Premier League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.